Hi, this is Steve Jane, Senior Editor at Snow West Magazine. I'm going to be inserting a ski tip on this Skidoo Summit X. Basically, I'm just going to be putting this insert on, a ski tip on, that easily slides on. You just slide it up where it belongs like that. Then I'll be putting in the screws right there, and that'll give me a little bit wider surface. If you look at it from this side, you can see how it extends out beyond. So it just allows the snowmobile to get the ski tip up on the snow a little bit easier. An easy insert, Skidoo. Some dealers will put them on automatically. We chose to go with the yellow one to accent the Summit X, the 175, just because it was a good looking sled. We'll show you what it's like at the end. Well, here you go. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Nice ski tips. Both sides, clean fit. Again, an easy accessory. You can put the color on you want it to match your sled.